Hello friends, welcome to Bhadra Academy. Let's learn some important points about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So, Patel ji, also known as the Iron Man of India, because he actively participated in the post-independence period in the integration of around 552 and more than that princely states in India. Now, during the national movement, he actively participated in the freedom struggle against the British rule, and he became a part of the Indian National Congress as the president in 1931 Karachi session. And why this session is important for us? Because in this session, the first time resolution on fundamental rights and national economic program was passed, and after that, this session also ratified the Gandhi-Irvine Pact. Patel also actively participated in the Khera Satyagraha, Khera Peasant Satyagraha, which was led by Gandhi ji. Patel also participated in the important Bardoli Satyagraha of 1928 against the British rule, and in this satyagraha he was successful and he got the title of Sardar by the women of Bardoli. So Patel's role is very much important when it comes to the post-independence period, when he actively participated in integrating around 560 princely states into the Indian Union, and that is why we celebrate the National Unity Day on 31st of October to honor the contribution of Sardar Patel. Thank you.